As a video editor or producer, you surely need stock photos to add up to your videos to make them more appealing and stand out. There are so many websites where you can find free stock photos to add to your videos. Some of these websites also offer some footage which you need to upgrade or pay for premium version before you can get access to them. In this video, I am going to show you 10 websites that offers free stock images. Yes, 10 websites. On this channel, all we do is to teach you top tips and tricks as well as skills which you can use to make money daily to feed yourself and family. If this is your first time of reaching this channel, click the subscribe button to become part of our YouTube family for free and press the notification bell so that anytime we upload new videos, you'll be notified. Now, let's get started. The first website I'll talk about is Unsplash.com. When you visit Unsplash.com, you see so many free photos, so many free images which you can download and add up to your video. One lovely thing about Unsplash.com is that you see wallpapers, 3D renders, nature, textures and patterns, architecture, interiors, and more. They have categorized these images or these photos so that anyone that you want, you can just go through them and then search for. For instance, if you want people, you just click on people and you see so many pictures about people which is available on Unsplash.com, and you can download them and then add to your videos to make it very nice and appealing. One other thing that makes it so lovely is that if you want to search for high resolution images, you can type it here, provided you are not being able to find out the particular picture that you want. Let's type it here. For instance, we want a car picture. You type car there, then you click on the search button. As soon as you click on the search button, you see that Unsplash.com will display so many kinds of cars for you. Alright, so many pictures, so many photos of cars for you. And even that, they have categorized it. We have BMW, sports car, Lamborghini, Jeep, parking, and the rest. Unsplash.com offers variety of stock photos that you can use to add up to your video editing, and it will be very great. The next website is Pixabay.com. Pixabay.com also offers so many stunning royalty-free images and royalty-free stock photos for you to use in your video editing. For instance, you can see so many free stock photos here, so many free stock images which you can use. Okay, when it comes to Pixabay, they also offer illustrations, vectors, videos, music, sound effects, and GIFs, right? For instance, if you want to search for an image, provided the ones here you can't even find what you want, okay, you can just go to the buttons here. They have the background, the wallpaper, the nature, the sky, the food, summer, water, and so many options there that you can select, or you can click and then they will open other options for you which will give you so many varieties of photos or images to select from. So if you click on any of the options there, it will lead you to another set of pictures, another set of photos which you can use as your stock images. Provided you're not able to get what you're looking for, you come here and then you type the name of the particular object that you want. For instance, let's say I want car, so I type car there and then I click on this button, this search button. As soon as you click on, you see several stock images, several stock photos, several pictures on car. Okay, have you seen? All these are royalty-free images provided by Pixabay. So you can use Pixabay to download so many stock footage, so many pictures, so many photos, and then add to your video editing, and it will look so great. Let's move on to the third website. Pezzles is also one of the websites that I love so much. Pezzles.com provides so many stock photos and videos for you which you can use in your video editing. When you come to Pezzles.com, for instance, you see that they've written here home, videos, leaderboard, challenges, and you see free stock photos, right? So as soon as you locate your pointer on it, you see that it has changed to a hyperlink, and then you see a button here. You can just click on it to download your particular photo that you want. So they have so many variety of photos, or free stock photos, free stock images that you can use to add up to your video, and it will look so stunning. Pixels.com is one of the nice websites that you can use. In case you're not able to find the picture that you're looking for, you can just use their search tool here to search for that particular photo. For instance, let's look at I want a mouse. You click here and then you type mouse. Then you click on the search tool here. Right away, the mouse will be displayed. So you see that there are so many creative mouse images here, right? Is it a computer mouse that you want, or the animal mouse you want? Any of the mouse, anything mouse will be displayed here for you to download, add to your video, and then edit it to make it look so great. The next website that offers free stock photos is Freepik.com. Freepik.com offers so many photos and images which you can use. When you go to their website, you see vectors, photos, AI images, videos, PSD, 3D, fonts, and the rest. There are so many. You can even create business card, poster, and logo here. You also see the buttons here which you can click to go through them and then choose the particular option that you want. Provided you are not able to see the pictures or the images that you want, you can just use their search tool here. You see they've written search all resources. Just type whatever you want to search. What should I search? Flowers. So I'm typing flowers. Now click on the search tool so that you see all the flowers categories, and then you go through and you choose the flower that you want. So I've clicked on flowers. What do you see? You see so many flower designs here, right? So many flower designs here, and it has been displayed in such a way that you see icons there, you see photos in it, you see icons, you see PSD format, you even see videos, you see AI images, and a lot. Freepik. Wow. So go to Freepik to download whatever image that you want and then use it to add up to your videos to make it so great. You can even add it to your graphic designing to make it look nice. Am I lying? You know the next website I will talk about? Now when you go to best.shopify.com, you also see free stock photos and images. Over there you can download stunning photos for website and commercial use. For instance, now we are at the website, right? Now you see so many top free pics for this week. Have you seen it? Good. You can even click here to see several pictures, right? You can click here to see more pictures, right? That is best for you. You can see pictures for coffee, fitness, women, fashion, men, and more. So if you click on all photos, all the photos that are located at best will be displayed here for you to select from them. One other thing that you can do is you can click on the collections, right? Do you see collections here? Let me click on it for you to see. Good. When you click on collections, you see several categories that has been listed here. You have that of animals around the world, backgrounds, beauty, business, cinema graphs, city, education, and the rest. And any of the pictures that you want to download under any of these categories, you just click on it and it will take you to that particular pictures that are available for that particular option. For instance, we have education images. Do you see education images here? Good. Now you see the school, writing, books, backpack, computer. You can even click the arrow here to see the several options. We have that of library, reading, arts, coding, and the rest. And you can click on any of these and we have so many pictures that are available for you to download freely and use. Now let's get to the next thing that I want to show you. That is the Seize one. When you visit Restshot.com, you see free icons and illustrations which you can use to design freely with instant downloads and commercial license. Okay, now if you come to their website, you see that they've written no attribution, just attitude, no cost, no attribution, no worries, create bold, fearless designs with absolutely no attribution required. Take all the credit, go on, you know you want to. Good. So you see so many designs here which you can use in your graphic designing and in your video editing. They have the SVG icons, they have the vector illustrations, and so much more. So if you need any of these, you can visit Restshot.com and you will feel good. Yes, Stocksnap.io. That one too is one of the websites that offers beautiful free stock photos. Now see their website. You can see categories, all photos, trending, and more. For instance, when you come here, you can see popular pictures, you see wallpapers, you see nature, beach, business, flower, and more. There are so many pictures here which you can see, which you can use, which you can download and add to your video editing or even your graphic designing. See, when you come to the trending, I mean this part, you see business, nature, flower, beach, wallpaper, love, technology, and food. Let's take it as I want technology. So you click on technology and it will take you to the page where you see so many pictures in respect to technology, right? For instance, they have that of laptop, keyboard, data, business technology, mobile device, work from home, so many designs, so many beautiful designs. In fact, Stocksnap.io is very lovely. So you can visit the website and get so many pictures over there, so many stock photos over there, and use them for your own video editing, and you will really love it. Let's move on to the 8th website which offers free stock photos, and you can use that also in your editing. Rawpixel is also one of the websites that offers free photos for you to use in your various projects when it comes to editing. Now, when you come here, you see they've written, "In free photos we trust. Discover pictures on Rawpixel. All photos are free to download and use under Rawpixel license," right? Good. So you can download all these photos, all these images to add to your editing, and it will make your editing so nice. You can go through them and download whichever photo that you want. You can also click on this button to search for whatever that you want, whatever picture. For instance, maybe I want a table to be added to my video editing. I need a table, so I type table here, then I search. You press enter or your search button. Now you see that there will be so many pictures here, right? You see a table here having something on it. So anything corresponding to table, or anything in respect to table, you see table here, you see table here having a laptop on it, you see another table here. Good. So you can use that tool, this tool, to search for whatever you want when it comes to Rawpixel. Do you know there is a website called SplitShare? This is the website. Have you seen? You just type www.splitshare.com and you see SplitShare. When you click on browse all stock photos, let me click on and see. It will take you to so many options. They have categorized the pictures or the images in such a way that whichever image that you need, you just click on its category and it will take you to that particular image. For instance, when it comes here, you see that you have abstract, nature, landscape, wedding, bouquet, food, and you see they have listed the number of photos that are found in each of the categories, right? So if you want any image which is under nature, you just click on what? You click on nature, and you see that all the pictures under nature will be displayed for you. One thing is that they like showing so many ads on their website. That's not a problem. Or is that a problem? No, you need your photo. You need your images. Go download them and go your way. So you see that with respect to nature, all the nature pictures that you have here will be displayed for you, right? So you can use this and you can add them to your video editing to make your video look nice. Wow, you know the last one? Let's see. Rawpixel. That is the last website I will talk about here. Just type www.rawpixel.com and you get so many varieties of pictures and photos to add to your video editing. Does this not look nice? What about this? What can you see? These offers are free. But one thing about Rawpixel is that now see the buttons here. they have the topics where you can click and then select the particular kind of picture that you want. Is it under photos, public domain, PNG elements, graphics, backgrounds, party illustrations, Christmas, or what? But over here, one thing is that they have the free version and then they have the premium version. So if you click on the free version, these ones you can download them for free. But they have the premium version. So you can click on the premium version if you want, and then that one too, you can get them and then add them to your video editing. So they have the free, they have the premium, they have the elements, they have the free fonts, they have the public domain, they have the one for art. So just go through them and you see so many of the designs, so many of the artworks, so many pictures that you can use in your video editing. These are some of the websites that offer a wide range of high quality stock photos that you can use for your personal and commercial projects without having to pay for licensing. However, it's always a good practice to review the specific licensing terms and conditions on each website to ensure proper usage rights for your intended purposes. If you know any other website that offers free stock photos, leave it in the comment section if I didn't mention it. We would love to see. Wait, was this video really helpful to you? Let me know your feedback in the comment section. See you soon.